Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you a simple and tidy way to fold your shirts. You might think folding shirts is not important, but the way you fold them can make a big difference. When you fold your shirts neatly, your wardrobe looks cleaner, you save space, and your shirts don't get wrinkled easily. Let's start with a question. Do you still use this style to fold your shirts? It's fast, but not always neat. Sometimes the sleeves stick out or the shirt doesn't look even. So, today I show you my own folding style. It's easy, looks tidier, and keeps everything nice and flat. First, lay your shirt flat on a smooth surface, like a table or your bed. Make sure there are no wrinkles. Next, fold the bottom part of the shirt upward, right under the armpit. This helps make the shirt shorter and easier to fold. Then, fold one sleeve inward and shape it like a triangle. Do the same for the other sleeve. The triangle shape makes both sides look even and clean. After that, fold the bottom part upward again. Now, the shirt forms a square shape, tidy, simple, and easy to style. Look at the difference between the usual style and my style. When you fold your shirts with my style, they are easier to keep in your wardrobe or drawer. They also take up less space and it's faster to find the one you want to wear. If you travel, this folding style helps too. Your shirts stay flat in your bag and don't get messy. So, that's my way to fold shirts. It's quick, neat, and makes your clothes look better. Sometimes, small things like folding can make your day more organized. When your wardrobe looks clean, it feels good, right? Try my method next time you do your laundry and see the difference yourself. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you. See you next time. Bye.